Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from your PhonePe app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications from this app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and put an end to them if you no longer need them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app through settings. And for this, you have to access the app information page. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will see we have various options under apps. Now look for the option called manage apps or any other related word and then tap on it to open or to list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From this, go ahead and scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my PhonePe app is here. I'll tap on it and then you can see we are on the app information page. This is where we shall do our settings. However, if getting to this app or this page is quite tedious for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to find this app information page. For that, just go back and look for your app. And once you find your app, go ahead and long press on it and look for this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. At this point, look for this section called permissions, and under permissions, go ahead and look for notifications. As you can see, currently notifications are turned to yes, and that's why you have been receiving them. If you tap on it, you can see all types of notifications that are on. To turn them off, all of them, just go ahead and toggle this show notifications button off, and it will turn off all the other notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications until you go ahead and turn these on. So that's how you can permanently turn off all alerts on your PhonePe app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.